पीसीसी न्यूज़ पहली आती है। रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर पैंथेरा टाइगर्स को बोलते हैं। टाइगर कंट्री मिलते बंगाल, भूटान, कंबोडिया, चाइना, इंडोनेशिया, लाओस, म्यांमार, नेपाल, रसिया एंड वियतनाम। इंडिया में शिवालिक गंगेटिक प्लेन में, सेंट्रल इंडिया में, ईस्टर्न घाट में, वेस्टर्न घाट में, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हिल में, ब्रह्मपुत्र फ्लड प्लेन में, सुंदरबन में मिलते हैं। सबसे ज़्यादा मिलेंगे एमपी में, उसके बाद से कर्नाटक, फिर उत्तराखंड फ्लैगशिप स्पीसीज है। और उसके बाद है अम्ब्रेला स्पीसीज है। टाइगर स्ट्रिप आर इंडिविजुअली एज यूनिक एज ह्यूमन फिंगरप्रिंट। सोलिडेरिटी में रहते हैं। मोस्टली नॉन क्लेचर है। टेरिटोरियल एनिमल है। टेरिटरी ऑफ अडल्ट मैन में encompasses territory of 2 to 7 female। कंजर्वेशन प्रोजेक्ट है प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर 1973 सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम इन सीटू कंजर्वेशन। नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ इंडिया एमएस स्ट्रीप डिजिटल मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम। ग्लोबल टाइगर इनिशिएटिव 2008। वर्ल्ड बैंक इनिशिएटिव, ग्लोबल टाइगर फोरम, इंटरनेशनल इंटर गवर्नमेंटल बॉडी कंजर्वेशन एश्योर्ड टाइगर स्टैंडर्ड CAITS। वर्ल्ड टाइगर फंड, टाइगर अलाइव इनिशिएटिव, स्नो लेपर्ड स्टडी एस्टिमेटेड 477 स्नो लेपर्ड इन लद्दाख हैबिटेट का माउंटेनियस रीजन साउथ एंड सेंट्रल एशिया। इंडिया, जम्मू कश्मीर, लद्दाख, हिमाचल, उत्तराखंड, सिक्किम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश। ग्लोबली हेमिस्ट नेशनल पार्क, कारगिल, लेह एंड हाईएस्ट एक्सटेंसिव डेंसिटी। Characteristic is solidarity animal like big cat cannot roar. Conservation effort, project snow leopard in India, international big tiger alliance, global snow leopard ecosystem protection program, BSEC declaration 2017, समरकंद रेजोल्यूशन 2024, स्टेट एनिमल ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश एंड लद्दाख, कैटरैक्ट कैमरा ट्रैप डाटा रिस्पोर्टरी एंड एनालिसिस टूल टू आइडेंटिफाई हिमालयन स्नो लेपर्ड। और जिसकी है वो WPA 1972 शेड्यूल 1 में है। IUCN वनरेबल कैटेगरी का स्टेटस मिला है अपेंडिक्स 1 से 30 में। CMS में अपेंडिक्स 1 मिला है। कवर्ड स्पीसीज रिकवरी प्रोग्राम। अच्छा, हम चलते हैं ग्रेट वन हॉर्न राइनो। द कॉन्टेक्स्ट है असम फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट स्टार्टेड DNA proliferation of the rhino horns added to the rhino DNA index system, Roidex and Index DNA library. Habitat Assam है largest population, more than 90% काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क में मिलते हैं। कैट्स वन among the 5 species of rhino, 2 African white rhino near threatened, black rhino critically endangered, 3 सुमात्रन critically endangered, जावान में मिलते हैं, एशियन में क्रिटिकल इंडेंजर। ठीक है, एक नियर थ्रेटेंड है। और इंडियन राइनो जो लार्जेस्ट 4 एशियन राइनो स्पीसीज है, यूजुअली सोलिडैरिटी मेल मेंटेन क्लोजली लूज डिफाइंड टेरिटरी। कंजर्वेशन एफर्ट, राइनो कंजर्वेशन स्ट्रेटजी 2019 फॉर राइनो इंडियन राइनो नियर द दिल्ली डिक्लेरेशन ऑन द एशियन राइनो 2019। इंडियन राइनो विजन 2020 है। शेड्यूल 1 में अपेंडिक्स 1 सिटीज़ में वर्नेबल का कैटेगरी का स्टेटस मिला हुआ है। और बातें हैं नीलगिरी थार में ट्रेडिशनल नीलगिरी थार इन द कोयम्बटूर फॉरेस्ट डिवीजन सो साइन पॉपुलेशन रिवाइवल। हैबिटेट ओपन माउंटेन ग्रासलैंड एंडेमिक टू द वेस्टर्न घाट। इलुवरम एरविकुलम नेशनल पार्क केरला हैज हाईएस्ट लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस पॉपुलेशन है। दैट्स ओनली द माउंटेन इनक्लूडेड इन द southern India, locally known as Eravaidu and Silla Patikaran and Siva Kasi Sindhamani provide their description. Conservation effort है प्रोजेक्ट नीलगिरी थार ऑफ तमिलनाडु, स्टेट एनिमल ऑफ तमिलनाडु, नीलगिरी थार डे 2000 अक्टूबर 7। UPA 1972 में शेड्यूल 1 कैटेगरी मिला है। इसको मिला है इंडेंजर का EN का स्टेटस। एशियाटिक लाइन है। IUCN released the first green status assessment for the lion Panthera leo, classifying as a largely depleted habitat in Giri National Park, India. Characteristic as sparser and shorter mane with the ears mostly visible. इसके आँख कान साफ दिखाई देते हैं. Distinct longitudinal skin fold among the belly और and slightly smaller than African loin से smaller है. Have no particular breeding. कोई ब्रीडिंग सीजन नहीं है. अफ्रीकन लोइन है comparatively fuller and denser mane, often covering the ear, neck, and usually barely fold. Conservation effort project Lion 2020 Greater Gir concept expanding lion habitat beyond the Gir area to Guinea and Nithya. Remarking 70% rise in Asiatic lion population in the 2084, 1990 891 2025 demonstrated the India's large successful conservation strategy. vulnerable कैटेगरी का स्टेटस मिला. सिटीज अपेंडिक्स और यू शेड्यूल 1 में काउंट है. अब आते हैं एशियन लायन एलिफेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट इनकरेंस ऑल इंडिया पॉपुलेशन एस्टिमेशन ऑफ एलिफेंट साई 2021-25 is India first DNA based count of elephant conducted by Wildlife Institution of India under aegis of the project Elephant Habitat, dry to wet forest and scrubland and grassland habitat in the 13 ranges country. Characteristic largest mammal on the Asian continent, 3 subspecies Indian, Sumatra and Sri Lanka. Highly intelligent animals with a strong family bond and a sophisticated form of communication, complex social structure led by metric and the lifespan 60-70 साल जीता है. लॉन्ग गेस्टेरियन पीरियड इन द मैमल 22 महीने का गेस्टेरियन पीरियड है. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट लाइन एलिफेंट लॉन्च इन 1992 and elephant reserve in 14 major state. यूपी 1972 इंडेंजर का स्टेटस मिला हुआ है. ठीक है. और उसके बाद आते हैं चीता. चीता एक एशियाटिक लाइन है, अफ्रीकन लाइन है, चीता है. और इसको ये एशियाटिक लाइन चीता है वो सीआर में कैटेगरी का मिला है. IUCN स्टेटस है. इसको वर्नेबल का मिला. अफ्रीकन को है. कॉन्टेक्स्ट है इंडिया बोस्टवाना फॉर्मली अनाउंस ट्रांसलोकेशन ऑफ 8 cheetahs to the India as a project cheetah. Asiatic cheetah only in the arid region of the eastern Iran. Officially declared extinct in India in 1952. African cheetah found in grassland, scrubland, and open forest across the continent, especially in Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa. Namibia hold the largest population. Characteristic इसके world fastest mammal and only carnivores to be extinct in India 1952. Unlike other big cat, lion, tiger, leopard, jaguar, cheetah don't roar. दौड़ता नहीं है चीता. स्लूथ बियर है. Sloth bear was recommended the inclusion under the Species Recovery Program of Centrally Sponsored Scheme Integrated Development Wildlife CSS IDWS Habitat Forest and Grassland native to the India and Nepal and Sri Lanka. Its name comes from the long claws and unusual teeth resembling a sloth, specialized in eating termite and ants. Does not hibernate in unlike other bear species. Solidarity, mostly non-glacial egg-like, known as one of the aggressive animal Indian continent. Habitat laws, human-animal conflict, global population less than 20,000. Conservation project Sloth Bear 2025. दारोजी स्लोट बियर सेंचुरी कर्नाटका. फर्स्ट डेडिकेटेड स्लोट बियर सेंचुरी इन एशिया. सिटी स्पेंड वर्नेबल कैटेगरी का स्टेटस मिला है. डोले एशियाटिक वाइल्ड डॉग. डोली once thought extinct in the region was made comeback in Assam. काजीरंगा कार्बी आंगलोंग लैंडस्केप KKAL. habitat India, Cambodia, Nepal, Bhutan, Thailand, Central East etc. Inhabitant Eastern Western Ghat, Assam, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Ladakh. Cats carnivores resemble small wolf or domestic dog in size. Hunt mainly in the अर्ली मॉर्निंग लेट इवनिंग ईएन का मिला हुआ है, इंडेंजर्ड का स्टेटस मिला हुआ इसको, अपेंडिक्स 2 सिटीज़ में मिला है, और शेड्यूल 1 में अल्पाइन मस्क डियर है, इंडेंजर का स्टेटस मिला सिटीज अपेंडिक्स 1, ठीक है। सेंट्रल जू अथॉरिटी CZA or report reveal a mix-up in identity alpine musk deer for conservation breeding mistake for Himalayan counterpart habitat temperatures in climate alpine meadows scrub land breach blue pine fir forest native species of India, Nepal, Bhutan, China. So cats solidarity Sai and herbivorous, unique the fang and the without later gallbladder theatre poaching for the musk put use and perform and traditional medicine है, Indian grey wolf है, Canis ulup papilips और वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1972 शेड्यूल 1 में मिलते कॉन्टेक्स्ट इंडियन ग्रे वुल्फ फेसेस एडेड रिस्क फ्रॉम द डॉग अटैक इन कादवानवाड़ी ग्रासलैंड महाराष्ट्र हैबिटेट है पेनिनसुलर इंडिया इंक्लूडिंग द राजस्थान गुजरात एक्सेट्रा कैट्स सब स्पीसीज ऑफ ग्रे वुल्फ travel in the smaller pack and is less vocal than the other variant of the grey wolf, occupies a top predator niche in the arid and semi-arid open plains and grassland of India as a wild yak है। 1972 वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट में शेड्यूल 1 में कैटेगरी में है, CMS को अपेंडिक्स 1 का वर्नेबल कैटेगरी का स्टेटस है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट है फर्स्ट क्रोमोसोम लेवल क्रोमोजीमो genome of the Indian domestic yak Bos genuine descendant of the wild yak. Bos mustus was assembled by the specialists from the 4ICAR institution. Indian domestic yak Bos genuinus known as the sheep of the Himalayas found across the Himalayan region, Tibetan plateau, Pamir mountain in Tajikistan and up to the Mongolia and Siberia. They have the larger lung and heart from than cattle. Herbivorous habitat alpine tundra grassland and cold desert region of the northern Tibetan plateau with the mountainous area ranging from 4,000 to 6,100 elevation. Region occurrence native to China are regionally extend from Bhutan. Cats movely seasonally descending from into lower valley in the winter. Feed mostly on the grass and silages with some forbs. Gregarious, often aggregating into the group of the more than 100 individual. Although smaller group of the 10 to 20 are most common. Threat poaching, including the commercial poaching for the meat, interbreeding between domestic and wild yak, etc. Northern white rhino, CR का मिला critically कॉन्टेक्स्ट है इसका मुंबई बेस्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्री रिसेक्रेशन Question secured and prestigious gold dolphin awarded having the northern white rhino IVF as one of the event captured in the habitat. Subspecies of white rhino once widespread across Central Africa, known for its massive size, broad mouth, and two rhino horns, possibly extinct in the wild with only two female. Nanjing Fatu Ndrimil globally residing in the OIG Pechita Conservancy, Kenya. Conservation effort in vitro fertilization IVF using the psychropreserved sperm and the surrogated southern white rhino mother musk deer. वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन 1972 में ये इंडेंजर स्टेटस में सिटीज में 1 Appendix 1 context currently no breeding program started in Indian Zoo for conservation of musk deer. Central Zoo Authority CZA habitat Escort Wildlife Sanctuary Gangotri National Park Sector compromise 7 species Kashmir Himalayan Anuhui exist in certain countries in Asia including India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Russia, Siberia. Cats small solitary ungulate, active at night or twilight, threat and hunted for musk gland secretion only by the adult male to attract mates, highly valued in the perfume इंडस्ट्री। फिशिंग कैट वर्नेबल कैटेगरी का स्टेटस मिला है, शेड्यूल 1 में आती है ये। वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन 1972 के कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, वाइल्ड लाइफ इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया सक्सेसफुली रेडियो कोलर्ड फिश इन काउरिंगा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी लोकेटेड इन द गोदावरी estuary where the Godavari Korenga confluence into the Bay of Bengal. Habitat of inhabited westland mangrove in India, mainly found in Sundarban, Himalayan foothills along Ganga and Brahmaputra Valley and Western Ghat. Characteristics: powerful feline, about twice the size of a house cat, nocturnal hunter, prey on the fish, frog, crustaceans, snake, bird, squandered carcass, threat, destruction of wetland, depletion of the main prey fish due to the unsustainable fishing practice. A small cat in India, context portrayed by the Wild Institute of India, a National Tiger Conservation Authority (NTCA) provide comprehensive assessment of small cat occupancy status and dynamics. Static cat habitat endemic to the Indo-Malayalam Indo-realm in the Assam, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. Cats territorial and solitary with occasional pairing. Karkal habitat wild arid semi-arid region reported in the 3 states in India: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Cats Colcia ghost, black full-footed ear, solitary territory animal, non-perennial। आगे इसके बाद आते हैं यूरेशियन लैरिंक्स आते हैं, barren, relatively open, rocky mountainous plateau, Central Asia, some part of Ladakh and India. Characteristic primarily solitary, territorial, nocturnal animal, nocturnal animal. Camels context draft policy paper on the camel prepared by the Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry, Rearing and the Food and Agriculture Organization proposed a National Camel Sustainability Initiative NCI. Habitat dry ecosystem referred to sheep of desert are primarily reared in 90% in Himalaya, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Common characteristics: survive day without drinking water, travel long distance, feed on thorny desert plant, rump their hump, store fat, providing them energy during scarcity, store water in the blood cell. Single hump dormitory camel. Bikaner Rajasthan used for carrot pulling, heavy drought work due to strength and endurance. Jaisalmer Rajasthan known for the stamina, speed, and their tail slender beard is common used for the camel safari, especially in Thar desert. Mewari Rajasthan known for the milk yield. Kachai stone road bed used for plowing and catering run of Kutch. Karkai Gujarat, primarily in the Kutch, capable of swimming up to the 3 kilometers sea water, adapted to the coastal and mangrove ecosystem, surviving by the grazing for mangroves, can be domesticated. Milk rich in nutrition, potential therapeutic benefit, preserved by the Raberi Fakiriani Jat tribe. Double humped bacterian camel. Eastern Europe to the Africa, particularly by the Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, China. In India, exclusion high altitude cold desert of Ladakh. Cats 2 hump as the energy reservoir, fat, not water, thick coated, thermal sealed, broad feet, sandy walked adaptation, long eyelashes and sea level nostril, dust fence, utilize thorny and dry spare plant like a sea duck thorn. Serb can eat snow indicate of the arid biomes. Flagship of the animal for the Asian African therapy conservation capable of the carrying the load up to the 250 kg. A certain wild bacterian camel is endangered as an African giant tetratroids. They are reintroducing Jillian community reserved Nagaland habitat tropically subtropical mountainous green evergreen forest of Bangladesh, Brunei, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, Singapore, explicated and Thailand. Tracks largest tetroids in the mainland Asia, keystone species and only tetroids that make the nest above the instead of the in the whole threat. Habitat destruction, collection the local consumption, critical इंडेंजर का स्टेटस मिला हुआ है। अपेंडिक्स 2 में आता है। सिटीज़ का बोनबो इंडेंजर का सिटीज 1 फाउंड ए वर्कल कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन बोनबोरो सो compositionality just like a human language habitat only in the forest. Democratic Republic of Congo like chimpanzees say 98% of DNA like human, making them closest living relative to the human. Bit smaller, learner, dark in appearance, peaceful. Their group is fed by females and 16 आते हैं CR के। Scientists mapped by genome of the solar, often known as the African unicorn habitat, a mist-covered evergreen forest, Annamite mountain along with Vietnam-Laos border, carrying 2 parallel horns with the sap and 20-inch long on the both male and female cousin of the cattle resemble on the entropy, white making a face and grass gland of the muzzle probably to mark their territory to attack mate. Eurasian otter contest rarest sighting Eurasian otter was reported in South Kashmir. Habitat 3 continents of Europe, Asia and Africa, occur in northern, northeast and southern India. Characteristic semi-aquatic mammal, native to Eurasia, Megri, Africa, sludge brown fur, long slit body with thick tail, long teeth, very dense short fur, web-haired feet, etc. Pala cat context wildlife survey by WWF in India captured by the weak photo Pala cat in Arunachal Pradesh. Habitat है इसका है rocky steppe mountain grassland scrubland across Central Asia including Iran, Afghanistan, Mongolia, Russia, Pakistan, northern India. Characteristic 30 से 35 सेंटीमीटर tall with the dense fur coat. Feed on the small prey including marmots and peacocks and शेड्यूल 1 में का कैटेगरी में LC का IUCN स्टेटस मिला है इसको। एवियन स्पीसीज है ग्रेट इंडियन बस्टर्ड क्रिटिकली CR का स्टेटस मिला है और अपेंडिक्स 1 में आती है। ग्राउंड टेक्स्ट 4 ग्रेट इंडियन बस्टर्ड चिक captured hatched at the Sudarsari Center, Rajasthan, making a keystone under the Buster Recovery Program. Habitat endemic to Indian subcontinent, found in Rajasthan, Gujarat, with small population, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Cats omnivorous male have the culture pouch to fill air exhale. The create humming sound to attract female. Conservation effort, Buster Recovery Program. In GIB lesser foliceran, GIB conservation breeding center Rajasthan etc. Vulture है। Context Wildlife Institution of India released first pan-India assessment monitoring the endangered species vulture. Characteristic scavenger on the animal carcass threatened to indigestion of the toxic and non-solitary anti-inflammatory drug and seed like the diclofenac used to treat लाइव स्टॉक हैबिटेट लॉस, इलेक्ट्रोकोरन एक्सेट्रा, इलेक्ट्रोक्यूटोन एक्सेट्रा कंजर्वेशन इनिशिएटिव, वल्चर कंजर्वेशन ब्रीडिंग सेंटर एट रानी असम, पिंजौर हरियाणा, एक्शन प्लान फॉर वल्चर कंजर्वेशन इन इंडिया 2020-25, असम बेस्ड फाउंडेशन लॉन्च इंडिया फर्स्ट वल्चर कंजर्वेशन पोर्टल, वल्चर रेस्टोरेंट इन कोदारम डिस्ट्रिक्ट झारखंड है। ठीक है, ये एक वल्चर है। सिलेंडर बिल्ड वल्चर है, वाइट रम्प्ड वल्चर है, इंडियन वल्चर है, सीआर का स्टेटस मिला हुआ है। रेड हेडेड वल्चर है, एंटी का स्टेटस मिला, बेडेड। सीआर का मतलब है क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड, ईएन का मतलब है इंडेंजर्ड, एंटी नियर थ्रेटेंड है, लीस्ट कंसर्न है, लीस्ट कंसर्न है। ग्रिफोन वल्चर है, हिमालयन का है, नियर ग्रिफोन है, नियर थ्रेटेंड है, ईएन का डेंजर्ड है, इजिप्शियन वल्चर है। ठीक है, मालाबार ग्रे हॉर्नबिल है, शेड्यूल 1 में है, सारी शेड्यूल 1 की है लगभग। Context researcher from the Kerala were awarded first conservationist award by the Conservation Leadership Program CLP for conserving Malabar grey hornbill. CLP trans partnership with the Fauna and Flora International, Wildlife International and the Wildlife Conservation Society. Habitat endemic to the Western Ghats of India. Characteristic lack the Casquas type of hornbill and a loud and laugh like call. Great flamingo least कंसर्न का स्टेटस मिला हुआ है। फ्लेमिंगो है, तमिलनाडु नोटिफाइड द ग्रेटर फ्लेमिंगो सेंचुरी एट द धनुष कोटी था to preserve the at critical stop over the point over the Central Asian flyover habitat of birds in the shallow wetland that are the either saline or alkaline disturbed in Africa, West Asia, India, Southern Europe. Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary in the Great Run of Kutch, Gujarat, unique protected area supported in the South Asia, only breeding ground of greater flamingo, internationally renowned as a flamingo city. Greater dispersal capacity outside the breeding season, highly Flopatric return to the remaining near a particular site area. Northern Ghost Hove है। लीस्ट कंसर्न का पंजाब वाइल्ड लाइफ डिपार्टमेंट डिक्लेयर द नॉर्दर्न गोस केव लोकल बाज, इनको बाज बोला जाता है, नॉर्दर्न गोस होक। Temperate region preferred wooded area, open wood, deciduous coniferous, mixed forest, disturbed in the northern America, northern Asia, Europe and India, largely seen in the Uttarakhand and Ladakh. Rapture with a short and bordered wing, long tail, nesting and the breeding season between June and March. Loud and cackling calf feed on various kind of bird, mammal, reptile, mostly sedentary. Hunting bird of Guru Govind Singh, symbol of warrior, the strength of royalty, threat and persecution, deforestation, poisoning from pesticide, habitat loss. Aquatic species पे आते हैं, डुगडोंग वर्नेबल का स्टेटस मिला हुआ है, अपेंडिक्स 2 में CMS में आता है और शेड्यूल 1 का है। Contextualization adopted motion recognize India first Dugong Conservation Reserve in the Parkway at IUCN World Conservation Congress 2025. Dong Conservation Reserve was established in 2022 by Tamil Nadu government under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Habitat 40 countries from the East Africa to Pacific. Largest population in Australia, India, Bay Gulf East, Gulf of Mannar and Kutch. That's the only marine herbivorous mammal that depend on sea grasses. Threat है habitat degradation, hunting, unintentional capture है, river dolphin in India. Contest Ministry of Forest and Climate Change and Wildlife Institution of India released the population status of river dolphin in India 2024. India first comprehensive ravine dolphin population estimate. Ganges and Indus dolphin are the two distinct species based on genetic and morphological data. Common characteristics functionally blind rely on the echolocation to navigate a hunt, and long thin snout and rounded belly is so stocky body and large flipper and apex predator. Key indicators species of river health and unique side swimming behavior adapted to the navigate through shallow water. Threat unsustainable fishing and man-made water infrastructure, poor water quality, human disturbance, climate change, encouraging salinity, conservation major dolphin 2020, Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Wildlife Sanctuary, Bihar Chambal River Conservation Zone designated as a dolphin conservation zone, India first national Dolphin Research Center NDRC at Patna, Bihar, conservation SEO dolphin standard 2021, species focus tool for the dolphin conservation effort. Indus dolphin है, प्लेंटिसिटा माइनर है, इंडेंजर्ड का स्टेटस में अपेंडिक्स 1 में आती है. Habitat Indus River in the India and Pakistan, found Bias River in India. Characteristic local name brown grey in color, adapted to live in muddy river. Conservation Punjab state aquatic animal है. Gangetic dolphin Placenta gangetia कीटा इंडेंजर का स्टेट अपेंडिक्स 1 में गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र मेघना संगू कार्नापोली रिवर इन Bangladesh, India, Nepal, commonly found in the deeper section of river, confluence, fresh water, etc. India is home to 90% of world Ganges river dolphin. Again, characteristics are local in Susu, based or made by them, while the breathing called the tiger of the Ganges, apex predator, female larger than the male. Conservation effort, national aquatic animal of India, false killer whales है. Context survival of the 90 false killer whales as adopted in the mass standard incident of the remote breach in Tasmania. Habitat found globally in the tropical, subtropical ocean, and generally in deeper offshore water. Characteristic dark grey appearance, often black, except on a small part of their vulnerable side surface. Large and slender, males are slightly larger than female. Gregarious form, stronger social bond, often found in a smaller than a subgroup of the single to an individual. Threat environmental contamination, hunting and competition for prey. Strong clownfish contest scientists at the National Bureau of the Fish and Genetic Resource developed a design clownfish crossbreeding for ornament trade community aquaculture है. Habitat of warm water such as Red Sea and Pacific Ocean, shelter reef for the lagoon of living the Ammon. Characteristics eat small invertebrate algae, wood scrape and leave behind. Egg can be hatched any time after laying egg. Male clown guarded them under the hatch. They are all born male. Once they become female, they cannot become male again. They communicate by making the poppies and clicking sound. Threat इनको designer clown fish, popularly known as the global trade Picasso, platinum clown snowflake, snowbird, gladiator, prized for unique and vibrant patterns, commanding high value in the ornamental fish market. Indian squid, ICA Center Marine Fishery Research Institution successfully decoded their gene expression pattern. Characteristic male-female adult usually die shortly after spawning and brooding, respectively. Embryo hatch in the platonic stage, life for the some time before grow greater, larger, and take up the benefic existence as an adult. Starfish context, starfish dying due to the bacterium Vibrio placentia due to bacteria causing the cholera in the humans. Characteristic belong to large group of marine animals known as the Echinodon, known as the sea star due to the shape. Predator mostly feed on the invertebrates like mussels, clams. Mostly species in the regenerate or regrow damaged or lost arm. No blood transport nutrient oxygen is via sea water in the water vascular system. Jellyfish Cochin backwater of Kerala face reasonable invasion of jellyfish. Habitat pelagic organic, live in the open ocean, tropical to Arctic, drifting with the current despite the limited swim ability. Catsic passive stinging cell Nematocast for capturing prey and defense. Bodies are made of 95% of camouflage. Tolerate the low oxygen, hypoxia environment, part of the Scandia group, along with the chlorine and population explosion due to the warmer sea surface temperature and eutrophication, etc. Krill है krill is under the increasing pressure due to the fishing, climate change, growing demand for omega 3 oil use and fish meal, pet food, human supplement habitat. Smaller pelagic eugastrian found mainly in the Antarctica Ocean, northern Atlantic and the North Pacific. Characteristic keystone species in Antarctica ecosystem feeding on the plankton, serving as a primary food source for whales, seals, and squid. And sea bird travel in the large swim. Plankton study find excess iron stimulate plankton bloom, increasing rate of the nutrient consumption, leading to faster transition to nutrient poor condition in the ocean. Characteristic macroscopic organism living in both salty and fresh water environment, contain the chlorophyll, living in sunlight, inorganic nutrient like iron, nitrate, phosphate, and sulfur to leaf grow. Type bacteria, phosphate, single celled plant. Cyanobacteria, diatom, dinoflagellated green algae, single primarily produce food chain, biological carbon pump, etc. Theta harmful algae bloom, releasing toxin dangerous to both marine and human life. Pulsura fentoi है scientist discovered small I3 predator Musura fentori, nicknamed sea mouse, that lived in the ocean 506 million years ago. Cats belong to the Asian group of the creature called radiont, related to the today insect spiders and crab. Jointed like the insect crab fossil show them uniquely body part with the 16 segment grill for the better breathing and having la size of human finger. Albio Euro and Albio Check Dia. Contest ICR, National Bureau of Fish and resource discovered two new species, Libero Euro, namely after traditional wooden dough for the sale. Elongated fins found in the Chanderi River, west flowing interstate river, originated from the Pathimala hills in Kadu, Karnataka. Albedo chekda, small dark-bodied fish known as Kakakida, inhabited Kakaludu River, formed by the confluence of five streams originating Annamalai Hills, Western Ghat. Both are the fresh river fish endemic to the river, highlighting the Western Ghat, a whole biodiversity hotspot. Coastal squid. Scientists have captured the first image of coastal squid in the southern Atlantic. Have a massive deep sea squid species found in Antarctic water, primarily south and 40 degrees south, and living in a deep, usually greater than 1,000 meter. Cats can reach from the 7 to 14 meter, use 500 gram. और ए फिश दो में फिश आ गया है स्टिंकिंग लार्ज odd fish known as a distinctly long ribbon shaped body enable them to float in unsuspicious conspicuously throughout the water column, can grow more than the 700 feet, like filter feeder, deep sea dweller, blue dargon, and Gagliarius. Several beaches in Spain were closed due to the blue dragon habitat. Warmer tropical water of the Pacific and Atlantic Indian Ocean, characteristic 4 centimeter long, floating sea slug that live on the ocean surface. Impact on the human sting nodal that can be extremely painful to human and cause redness, swelling, nausea, and vomiting है. अब आते हैं reptiles, insect, amphibian, etc. Crocodile in India. During World Crocodile Day, 17 June, India celebrates 50-year crocodile conservation project. Common characteristics nomenclature, animal poikilothermic, regulate their body temperature only to the limited degree है. Diversity 13 different crocodile species, 3 native found in India. Saltwater crocodile, Mughal घड़ियाल है. Salt water crocodile, estuarine river crocodylus porus है. Least concerned है brackish water, mangrove swamp, estuary, coastal river, Bethkarnika River in the Odisha largest sea, Andaman Nicobar Island, Sundarban है. Correct, strongest bite force of any animal, living animal है salt water. Mars Smith's crocodile है. Mugger board snooked crocodiles, fresh water habitat like lake, rivers, slow moving stream characteristic है. Known to tool the balanced streak on the in they had to lure bird for nesting material. Long Indian species that dig burrow in the land to escape extremely temperature. Vulnerable category घड़ियाल है. Fish eating crocodile, Indian घड़ियाल, long nose crocodile है. Gavilas gankitos, critically endangered. Appendix 1. Habitat deep, clear, fast flowing fresh river with the high sandbank for the nesting. Nepal Rapti Naryali River. India Ganges tributary Gariva, UP Son, Ramganga Uttarakhand, Gandak Bihar, Chambal UP, MP Rajasthan, Manandi Godavari. Characteristic adult male have the bulk like the structure, snooted up tip called the Ghara, act as a resonator to produce a long bulging nose, slow bubbles to act as female. Expert fish catchers, thinnest and most elongated snout along the crocodilian and the only visible sexually dimorphic crocodilian. Conservation effort crocodile conservation project launched in 1972. Gharial conservation UP, MP and Rajasthan. Long red crown roofed turtle है. Contest 20 red crown roofed turtle reintroduced in Ganga UP. Habitat native to India, Bangladesh and Nepal. National Chambal River Gharial Sanctuary has substantial population currently in India. Characteristic fresh river turtle species found in a deep flowing river with a nesting site, critically endangered. Olive Ridley turtle, ORT, olive Ridley turtle. Vulnerable category का है. Context operation Olivia shielded over 8 lakh OTR on the Odisha Garimatha coast. Habitat warm tropical water of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. Characteristic undergo unique nesting called the Aribadas, smallest and most abundant of all the sea turtles. Conservation Operation Olivia initiated in 1980 by Indian Coast Guard and is conducted by every year from the November to May, focusing on Garimatha Beach and Rusikuyala River mouth and Devi River mouth. अच्छा एशियन, आया एशियन जाइंट सॉफ्ट सेल टर्टल है, क्रिटिकल डेंजर को डॉक्यूमेंट्री सेविंग नेस्ट कास्डोर केला won the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Habitat a large lowland river lake reservoir estuarine. Area includes the mangrove channel, coastal mudflat near the river mouth, called the Cantor giant soft turtle, long freshwater turtle found South and Southeast Asia, called the Bhima Biman near giant Mamna is turtle Kerala. Characteristic of flatter head, wildly spaced eye, ambitious predator with aggressive behavior, lightly speed strike and powerful jaw. Green sea turtle है ICUN upgrade the conservation state of green sea turtle from endangered to least concern. Distributed second largest green sea turtle species with a widely geographical distribution in 18 countries, inhabiting the temperate tropical and the coastal water of the approximately 140 country. Characteristic unique along sea turtles as they primarily have herbivores and eating the mostly sea grasses and algae. Green turtles are reptiles and surface to breathe. Adult female return to land to lay egg. Sand breaches and are the remarkable navigators, migrate hundreds to thousands of miles, are solitary and night माइट नेस्टर है. यूथुलिया मालाकाना बटरफ्लाई है. New butterfly species found at the first time in India and Arunachal Pradesh. Habitat Indo-Australian region, primarily South Asia. Record from the northern Highland, Malla Peninsula, Sunda Island. Characteristic blue apical spots for being prominent male. The females display the larger apical spot. Hind wing are drawn with a reduced red spot. Significant serve as important indicator of the ecosystem health है. Small heave beetles है. SHB है. Alien or native SHB was recorded first time in the West Bengal. Habitat sub-Saharan Africa है. Cats oval shape, reddish brown, 7 to 5 millimeter long. Its life cycle goes through the different stages: egg, larva, pupa. Adult female enter the hive through the crack, making the unfit for human consumption. Clindum Lethia. Scientists from Zoological Survey of India identify new species of beetle named the Cylindrium latiate in the Teli Valley Wildlife Sanctuary in Arunachal Pradesh. Characteristic है belong to subfamily Rayosindon. Unique morphology, a rare group of the ground beetles inhabiting forest floor. Significant ecological role in nutrient cycling and slow soil health. Lichen studies reveal the lichen species could survive and remain the metabologically active under the stimulated Mars like condition. Habitat 8% land surface, including the most extreme environment of the Earth like the Antarctica and South tropical desert. Indian hosts 2700 species reach in Western Ghat, Eastern Himalaya, and Northern Himalaya. India first lichen park established in 2020 in Munsuri, Uttarakhand है. That's a symbiotic association between the fungus, symbiote and algae or the cyanobacterium photobiont, bioindicator of the air pollution, especially CO2 heavy metals. First colonizer successor aid in soil formation. Parasitic verbs है. New parasitic waves discovered in Chandigarh है. First flying insect with many species being the smaller than millimeter. Adult feed the pollen nectar of the flower है. Solitary, not build hive on the report to the queen. Lay their egg inside the other insect to complete the life cycle, altering its behavior and eventually killing them. Found the multi-families inside other Hamthora, including the flies, bees, and wasps. Significant control pest and prevent invasive species and Tagidias grass, water bee and moss piglet, Indian astronaut Subhanshu Suglar to take the Tagidia grass to International Space Station for experiment. Half millimeter long, 8-legged, segmented micro animal ensure extreme cold temperature level to cryptobiosis, crushing the pressure radiation found worldwide. Cryptobiosis is a state of extreme inactive in the response to diverse environmental conditions. Two recognized classes, Utrageda Gada and Heterogardera, include marine species, Cicadarsus, or the return to Kerala Silent Valley Park habitat occur in the warm temperate biome. Characteristic all species have the wildlife life cycle of all three stages: egg, knife, and adult. Adult species usually lay egg in the woody plant tissue. Sapling loud song produced mostly species by the rapid plucking and the unblucking of the drum-like timbrels. Poppy Pied viper venom है. A newly studied uncoated mystery of the house venom pied viper work habitat tropical subtropical wet found mountain bamboo forest mountain scrubland swamp है. Disturb India, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Malaysia. Native to northern and northeastern India. Werewolf worms. Such as so trust for the search and ecological environment. Really diverse werewolf walking have found the most environment like the forest under rock leaf litter with the only species in India. Characteristic of virility texture, caterpillar like appearance, skin numerous papillae, small projection, leaving them the virility appearance, orange, red, brown, green, blue, gold in color. Carnivores can shoot adhesive slime up to 30 centimeters to catch their prey. Locust study found the locust movement is based on cognitive decision making process based on the perception of the nearby motion. Characteristic short arm grasshopper with a highly migratory habitat marked the polyhomphorus or voracious feeding behavior capable of forming the swarm hopper band है. Coach great devastation of the to natural and cultivated vegetation है. 4 species in desert locust, migratory locust, Bombay locust, tree locust found in India. Bees study show microplastic pollution can impair pollinator like bee and the bumbles affecting their ability to forage and pollinate. Range wild bees species living on every continent except Antarctica. Characteristic only bees have stingers. Modify oviposters organs originally used to lay egg. Feed on sugary nectar, protein-rich pollen from the flowering plant. Pollinate slaughtering 80% of all the flowering plant. Stingless bee, two varieties of stingless bees native to Nagaland have been found beneficial to farmer. Distribution in India, Southeast Asia, Africa, Australia, South America. Characteristic generally smaller than some honeybee है. Usually black and while honeybee are light brown with a gold yellow brand. Can't sting because the stinger is vestigial, non-functional. Produce bee honey or but more per individual compared to honeybees. Queen made the single drone from the another colony significance in the crop pollination produce high quality medicine honey. बूथ फ्रॉग है record 130 new species of bush frog from the northeastern state distribution endemic to the southern eastern Garden, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Found the moist forest patches as well as the wayside is vegetation, tea and plantation observed in the western Garden mountain. 120 600 400-600 मीटर above sea level है. It's species of the family Rapicordia, small with a nearly uniformly green the dorsal side of the forebeam, hind limbs and laurel sympanic region है. Cereal grey seal है. Research found at the grey seal milk contain the 322 distinct oligosaccharide, highest number that ever recorded in the animal mammalian milk habitat found in the coastal river throughout the North Atlantic Ocean. A characteristic of sometimes called horse breed because of their large curved nose, gather a large population during the mating, pupaing, molting season can drive up to 15,160 feet for as long as 1 hour. It's 4 to 6% of the body weight each day, but do not eat during the mating, the molting season. The excellent vision, hearing make them the effective hunter. Often hunt in groups, which make them easier for the catch their prey. They eat fish, crustacean, squid, octopuses, sometimes even see bird, frozen worm, nematode frozen is Siberian permafrost for the 46,000 years was revived. Cats organism like a nematodes and Tigerias can enter in dormant state and a metabolic process known as the cytobiosis in response to being frozen extremely and dehydrated. In this case, they reduce the organic consumption and the amount of the heat produced by the metabolic process to undetectable level. Diatoms, diatoms like a pseudonecia produce a diom acid, marine toxin that enter food chain, cause aggressive behavior in the sea lion. Photosynthetic algae with the silica-based seal found in all aquatic and moist environment from the ocean to sea, river, soil. Significant wood sea base source of long chain fatty acid feed zooplankton, insect, fish and whales. Water quality indicator sensitive to pH, salinity and nutrient. ओशन प्रोडक्शन, कार्बन फिक्सेशन, फोटोसिंथेसिस में आते हैं. प्लांट स्पीसीज बचे हैं वो कर लेते हैं. रेड सैंडल वुड बोलते हैं. नेशनल बायोडाइवर्सिटी अथॉरिटी सेंसर फंड फॉर द रेड सैंडल कंजर्वेशन अंडर द एक्सेस टू द benefit sharing mechanism. Habitat native to the as benefit sharing mechanism grow in dry deciduous forest between 15 से लेकर 900 मीटर altitude. Fine furniture, musical instrument, Ayurveda, wield natural dye, theatre, illegal logging and smuggling, endangered का status में. Banana musca Indamniasis, influencer of the 4.2 meter recorded in the species of wild banana Musta indici, making it the longest inflorescence recorded in bananas. Inflorescences is a group, a cluster of fruit arranged over the on axis of stream, composed the main stake, often having complex arrangement of the branches. Discovery first recorded from the remote tropical forest near the Krishna Nalla Reserve Forest in the Andaman Nicobar Island 2012. Characteristic unique green flower, fruit branch, bugs and thrice size of regular banana species. 11 मीटर हाई है. Benefit natural genetic resources for plant breeders to develop the highly yielding and benefit resident variety. White Himalayan lily है. Uttarakhand Forest Department latest report highlight the conservation of Himalayan lily, a rare fragrant lily species native to the Himalayan region, known for the white and pink flower, the dark spot and stripe, rich in the native and active chemical constitute like alkaloids and fluorocumarines used for treating the hemoptysis and bronchitis and rheumatitis है. Muri Koti Presa. Indian researcher Hassan their wounded healing potential habitat native to South Asia found in tropical region including India. Red ilvi plant known as Varna Urapani in Sanskrit. Wounded healing paid contain estivicide natural compound found for therapeutic potential. Arugapesa. Foster elder who revealed the Arugapesa died in Kerala, a rare indigenous medicinal plant of India. Medicinal property antitoxidant, anti-stress, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, anti-ulcer, antibacterial. Famous traditional use by the Kani tribe in the Augusta Hill and Western Ghats. Jivani drug developed by using the Rogya Prasha. Khani tribe can get 50% on the commercial return. Blue pinky gill subtle coke mushroom है, rare है pink. तेलंगाना forest and blue pinkish mushroom है, native to New Zealand. Dry color from the Virginia pigment rare in the fungi but common in some flower plant. Spotted in the Kadam Reserve Forest and other area of Kaziranga Forest. Division known for rich monsoon. Fungal diversity. Subtle coke mushroom recorded in Kaval Tiger Reserve. Mark first confirmed sighting in the eastern Ghats, extending known as range beyond the western eastern India. Scotus lectia structure has released sport into air. Sea buckthorn. Its seeds grown in Ladakh are part of the experiment on the board in International Space Center flown by NASA crewed mission. Deciduous curb tree, well adapted to live in the cold areas of high latitude. Significant pioneer species for the soil improvement, wind and sand control, soil and water conservation, high nutrition value, vitamin, carotenoid, polyphenol, medicinal antioxidant, anti-cancer है. Palmyra tree. Palmyra tree provide beneficial in reducing light related death and serving as a food source for elephant during lean season. Origin status native to the South Africa. Trees state tree of the Tamil Nadu. Climatic requirement soil diverse soil including sandy, red, black, alluvial as well arid westland area and fall suited for the semi arid region with less than 50 nanometer rainfall. Altitude strive from the sea level up to 800 nanometer. Use every part of tree useful for housing, medicine, and the shade and food है. Agri-wood है. Recently study found the global agri-wood department शेड्यूल 4 में आता है. Fragrant genus woody derived from the tree of Eucalyptus griffonus genus from the Thymelaceae family, created when the trees are wounded insect by the fungi producing regene and defense mechanism found in the northeast. Agartala derived its name from agar wood and is home to Eucalyptus Narcinia, Euclaria, Mensalia species, critically endangered UCN, and successfully prevented ice inclusion of Eukarya Mensalia review of the significant trade OCTs in erasing trade restriction, perfume making, traditional medicine reference in the ancient Ayurvedic text like Charaka Sahinta, Chinese medicine, Unani, Nostro. Northopogia. Researchers discovered 24 to 23 million year old foliicide leaf distribution restriction to the India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Species thus 11 known species found, 8 found in India, mostly in Western Ghat, southwestern region. Fossil leaves defined belong to genus Northopogia. Now found in the Western Ghat, oldest known fossil record for this genus disappeared from the northeast due to the Himalaya upliftment, change in rainfall, survived in the Western Ghat due to the stable tropical condition. Indian rosewood, Dal Bigeria latifoliaria. Study found Tamil Nadu has lowest population density in South India. Single stemmed deciduous tree, dome shaped crown for the lush green foliage, which is wet side or shade, grey bark, thin, irregular, short crack, extra foliating fibrous or long longitudinal flares means annual 750 लेकर 15 5 मिलीमीटर soil latate alluvial black soil native Indian Indonesia Kenya Malaysia Myanmar Nepal Nigeria Philippines Sri Lanka and Vietnam. Apiculture time timbers medicine diarrhea worms Kendu liver है. Tribal woman of the Kalandi Odisha protested Force Department denial of the Gram Sabha issued transit permit for the Kendu River transportation. Green for gold Odisha are vital minor forest produce and is nationalized brutal bamboo and seal seed, meaning collection, processing, trade are governed regulating, vaping BDs for the matching aroma and tobacco, top producer MP Chhattisgarh and Odisha, Moringa. Expert and despite Moringa and immense nutritional and economic value, farm in Tamil Nadu are yet fully capitalized on the business potential. Native India are now widely cultivated in Asia, Africa, tropical region to Central America. Miracle tree for wide range of use, high nutrition value and medicinal properties. Adult growing in condition deep sandy loam, pH 6.5 to 8, temperature is 25 से 29 डिग्री है. Tree ferns Uttarakhand Forest Department latest report highlight conservation of 2,228 plant species including the tree ferns, vascular plant without seed, flower, fruit or any reproductive part. Pharmacological properties antioxidant, antimicrobial, antibacterial, anti-asthmatic effect. Kumaun region Uttarakhand, a cluster of the species of tree fern. Seaweed. India seaweed farming cultivation valued at 200 crore, projected to expand 3,277 crore over next decade. Nutrition rich sea plant growing in ocean sea contain 54 element essential nutrient that disease like cancer, um, diabetes, arthritis, heart problem, high blood pressure. Key product from sea Aglinate, natural thickener from the brown seed, used in food, cosmetic, medicine. Again, gel acceptan from seaweed, used in dessert, jam, laboratory culture. Cargenian, gelling agent from seafood, used in dairy and processed food. Classic plant BMAA. Potent neurotoxin was detected in several shaded species native to Odisha. Does not produce flower, fruit, produce nones, has separate male and female plant that is deciduous and seed are toxic. Root stem have adapted to the host bacteria that absorb nutrition from the nitrogen from air, transform it to the plant, enabling plant to survive nutrient deficient sandy soil, adapted to the conservation, water adapt, keeping the sea pore stoma sealed during the day in hot on the hot weather, opening the stream at the night to absorb the carbon dioxide. Anthuria flora report to Anthuria flora from Mizoram to Singapore. Mizoram organized annual Anthuria festival, promote the tourism, highlight the forest flower beauty and ornament of value. Vast group of beautiful blooming plant valuable in the wild range of flower native to tropical America and India cultivated Mizoram. Apiculus research identified two new species of black agulus in the western Ghat Sikh that can propagate endographite opportunistic pathogen. Black apersigil are vital and critical as reproduction, food fermentation, production of the enzyme or organic acid, agriculture having phosphate stabilization potential. Some species are widely fungal pathogen and potent carcinogenic Bolterius fungi. Research found that bulletin cannot be counted as only single nuclear contain a complete set of chromosomes in the fungi. Um, insect insect grafts berries to lose water and evaporation swell up. Microgyrill fungi है SPU1 Society for Protection of Underground Network highlighted the need for conserving them, revealing over 90% hotspot of being outside the protected area. Fungi living the symbiotically with 80% plant species on Earth, making them such a 30% living microbial biomass in soil, help plants soak in the nutrient like the phosphorus from soil. Plant play important role in the carbon sequestration by carbon dioxide released by plant root. Invasive invasive species है Sina septabilis है केला carried the first science-based community-driven eradication eradication of the Sina septabilis in the Wayanad. Invasive species native to the American tropical है from dense and sterile thicklet choking out the native plant, altering soil chemistry and depriving the herbivorous of food. Go 7 to 8 tall, resemble the Kela state flower Carnicona. Concona Carus tree है. Recently, government appointed a new panel recommending the government to ban the Conocaras banned earlier by Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. One only native to the coastal area of tropical America and part of West Africa, found in the arid coastal zone of Somalia, Yemen, and Eastern Northern Africa and Arabian Peninsula. Ornamental plant provide the canopy and tolerant the heat, salinity, air and dust and pollution. Need a minimal maintenance. Invasive also green desert. Excessive groundwater consumption है. Thank you.